Hey guys, welcome back to Get Tangled. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to be making steam buns. This dish is so simple and so tasty. It requires few ingredients and can have any variety of filling from non-veg to veg and even savory or sweet. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe, hit that bell icon so you get tangled to all my videos. Now let's get started. To a clean bowl, add 150 grams of maida. You don't need to sift it, but make sure you follow the measurements accurately. To this, add 35 grams of sugar. Make sure you measure it correctly. If you want the steam buns to come out well, then you need to follow the measurements. To this, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Remember, not baking powder but baking soda. For this recipe, you need to use instant yeast. Remember, instant yeast looks like this, and there is a difference between dry yeast and instant yeast. I will be using 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Give this a nice mix so they're all well incorporated. Now make a well and add exactly 75 ml of water, room temperature water. To the water, add 2 tablespoons of oil, any oil. Now mix this well with a spoon or a fork or a spatula, doesn't matter. But give it a nice mix. You can add few drops of water if you feel your dough is too dry. So once your dough comes together like this and there is no flour, now you need to give your hand some exercise. So put it on a surface and start kneading it like this. Fold and push. Take your time. You need to knead it for at least 6 to 9 minutes, and this has to be done by hand. If you have a stand mixer, then that's fine. But you need to knead it for at least 9 minutes. Once you completed your 9 minutes, make this into a nice soft ball. So the texture will be like this. And to the same bowl, add some oil so that your dough doesn't dry up. Coat the dough with some oil and cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to prepare our filling. Firstly, you need some garlic. Chop them nice and tiny. I'm showing you how to chop them. so that all your ingredients are well chopped into tiny pieces. You'll need some green chilies, some onions, spring onions are very important because they give a really good flavor. If you miss that, then you'll not have the same flavor you're looking for a steam bun. And finally, some capsicum. Heat the pan and add some oil. Once the oil is warm, add garlic and green chili together. Let it sizzle, but don't let them burn. So keep mixing it. Let them cook. Then you can add your onions. Give this a nice stir. Cook until they are translucent. Now you can add your capsicum and any other vegetable you want. This filling is completely your choice, guys. So you can add whatever you want. Today I'm making a vegetarian steam bun and I'm using tofu. You can also use paneer here or egg and chicken, any filling of your choice. Mash it up well. Season it with some salt. Then you add your green chili sauce. Some ketchup. Vinegar. Over here you can also add any other sauces of your choice like oyster sauce or sweet chili sauce. That's totally up to you. I'm adding some sugar for sweetness. If you're using sweet chili sauce, then this is not necessary. Give this a nice stir. Finally, you add your spring onions. So the spring onions shouldn't cook too much. Give this a quick stir. Part them and set it aside. Our dough is nicely fluffed and risen. Make sure you do not disturb the dough. So lightly flour your surface. Pop the dough and do not knead it again. Gently press it. And using a chapati roller, start spreading it without putting a lot of effort, just slightly, because you don't want to puncture the air out of the dough. Roll it about 1/4 of an inch. Once you're satisfied with the thickness, I'm just using a circular cutter. You can even use glass, anything, up to you. This just makes it easy. And cut out your circular shapes. Now with the remaining dough, make sure again you don't knead it too much or squash it. Just make it into a round ball and let it sit for another 10 to 15 minutes before you use it. Now make sure you cover these cut out dough so they don't dry out, because they dry really quick. Now you can start filling. Folding the buns are totally up to you. I know it is slightly complicated. It's okay even if it is open or it is tearing apart. When it cooks, it'll all come together really well, so you don't have to worry too much about it. You can either do it this way, or you can slightly roll the edges so you have a thick bottom. And you can do this. You can also leave tiny gap on the top. It doesn't matter. Here I am using clean foil, which are cut into squares. So I keep my bun on them, so transferring them will be easy and I do not break the buns more because they're really delicate. I'm using an idli steamer. It doesn't matter what steamer you have. Make sure you leave enough gap between them because they will rise a bit. And do not disturb them while cooking for 12 minutes to be exact. Once 12 minutes is done, it will be cooked. Cook it in medium to high flame. Look how they have risen. So our buns are ready. They are really hot, so be careful when you're removing them. It's really soft, like a soft cloud. And it is yummy. A little mayonnaise always makes everything better. Now, wasn't that easy? It is so good, tasty, quick to make, and you are going to enjoy it. So please do give it a try. And before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm reminding you again, it's the red button down below. And hit that bell icon so you get tangled to all my latest videos. Until our next video, bye you guys.